Yeah. Samson Sam, how's the life going? And what about the learning? Samson Sam is in hibernate mode. Nalin Karunanda is not responding. Guys, please get into the class by your name, not by the mobile number. Mirazuddin and Muzammil, what's your learning experience till day? Okay, people have joined, but not yet in front of the screen.
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay, Muzammil. Okay, have you tried? Yeah, yeah. Please speak. So, have you tried by yourself that what were the things we learned? Have you tried them doing individually?
Yes, same day I was trying that one.
Okay, so what is the learning? Have you received something or is it going OST overhead transmission?
It's going slowly.
Okay, no worries. At least you are creeping. At least you are making sense out of it. This is one of the, what may I say, achievement in itself. Because first war has to be within. Rest of the thing you can say that yes, I can do it. Okay, nice to hear that. What about Samson Sam? I think he hardly speaks. Betsy Samuel, have you been to the very first time? Betsy Samuel.
No, no, sir. Last time also there. Last to last time. All classes I was there.
Okay, okay. So, is it a good learning experience to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Because now I can see very new faces like Ramiz, as yours I have identified. Then we had Faisal, then Naleen Karunanda.
No, I forgot
So,
to put my name. So it was, I think, iPhone or something it was showing before.
oh
Last time
yes,
also you asked me to, yeah.
yes. Like today, Abdauji has joined, but with iPhone 12. So everybody know that he is having an iPhone 12. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh,
sorry.
see, this is
My
how
hello,
you can means people.
hello.
Yes, yes, Abdav.
My
Okay,
laptop has a
Abil,
problem, so that's why I joined the
I
iPhone. Use
understand.
the iPhone.
I understand. It's all
Last
right,
season I
Abdav.
didn't attend the classes.
Yeah. So I would like to ask about Abhilash Bachchan. Are you from the family of Abhishek Bachchan or Amitabh Bachchan, or is you are a separate Bachchan? Okay, chalo. Let the class start. है ना? I think most of us have joined. 16, 15 of us have joined. Okay, people are joining. Okay. Any doubts from the yester class, last class? Vishnu Vidyadharan, Abdul Nasar, any doubt or anybody? Can you can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good to see that. Chalo. So right today we are supposed to continue our journey regarding the data visualization. So can anybody recall me what was the types of graphs and visualization techniques we observed in the last class? Can anybody give the light over it? Yes, anybody who has attended the last class and is quite confident about whatever you learned was the same thing I am asking today. Guys, speak up. We are here to share the informations, the knowledge, the knowing we all have. Yes, Abdauji, would you like to take the discussion ahead?
Sir, actually, last session I wasn't here. I couldn't join the class because my laptop failed me.
Last class we discussed regarding about
Then
NumPy X and Y. We discussed about the graph, and there are five plot graphs. The data we discussed, and
okay.
scatter we discussed. Scatter we discussed. NP random we added. Okay. Scatter X and Y we discussed how the colors to be added. Okay. Then after NP data randomly we had on the classes. And after that, Irish and SNS loading database we loaded, and then after SNS pair plot Irish we discussed.
Okay, very good, Mirazuddin. You actually covered each and every point. So at least I'm happy that yeah, someone is actually seriously learning the things. Thank you. Pre- yeah, previously in my class, there were, I think, 2 to 3 people. I think Shetty was there and Sahid Sahid was there. So these two guys were quite, means partially, but I won't say exactly partially, but yeah, they were quite sync with the class content. So now Muzammil has taken their place in their absence. Okay, sometimes I think one more guy has been the same thing, but I don't know he has joined or no. I can't see. Okay, no worries. Let him join in the meanwhile. So right today, I'll take that discussion, but over a larger data set, whereby you would see that how the things are happening. Because last time we had seen a few types of plots, say whether it be a pair plot or a sinusoidal wave, or why to use the bar chart. What's the difference between a bar chart and the histograms? Then by which when to apply the what's called pie chart when you have 100% distribution of the data. So these are the things we learned last time. We applied also using the Python notebook. But right today, I'll take you to the different journey, like applying the box plot, seeing the correlation, finding, okay, what are the literal plots available in the Python, such that you can use them in your business or in your, say, what do you do? You must be an employee somewhere. So let's see one by one. Can you see the screen? A picture is worth 1,000 words.
Yeah,
See this.
Yeah.
I
Yes,
can.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So see, I'll take you through this created introduction to data visualization. Previous was the traces of it. Today would be the complete picture. So I will take you one by one, and I hope that it gets completed within 60 minutes, such that by the next time we meet with the next enhanced topic. So, have you used Matplotlib and Seaborn in your previous classes? Yes or no?
No, no, no.
You have used Seaborn, but you have not directly used Matplotlib, but you have used PyPlot of Matplotlib. Can you remember? PLT. Have you used PLT dot plot?
Yes, we did.
Yes, you used. That PLT was pyplot, my dear. PLT was pyplot, which is saved as PLT as a alias. If you remember the name import pandas as PD. So PD is an alias over there. So you used matplotlib, but not directly. You used the pyplot function of a matplotlib module. That's the thing. Whereby you used Seaborn directly, like SNS, SNS dot pair plot, and the value what you want to have in a pair plot. So that's the reason it is said a picture is worth 1,000 words. Like say, if I say a silent communication has to be propagated, so I will rather try to place the picture of Buddha. Does any? I think everybody is aware about who the Buddha was, who focused upon the self-realization. Guys, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. So who the Buddha was and why means he propagated and promoted the self-realization of the life. So if I put the picture of a Buddha, so Buddha represents self-realization, peace, harmony, or in silence, or within, going within, multiple thoughts, or resting of the thoughts, delightment. Such feelings will be communicated without uttering a single word. That is the uh, importance or the impact of a picture. Okay, it provides 1,000 words, but only understanding required is you must be at a receiving end. You must know what to understand, because anything has a good meaning as well as the ill meanings. Both the meanings are there for a given thing. So that's the reason it is saying, like say matplotlib.pyplot. So you have used pyplot, not directly matplotlib. Matplotlib is actually a library which we got introduced in the previous session, and the pyplot is the must I say the class of matplotlib which is directly responsible for plotting the things given inputs are available. So hereby, I won't run the things today because this file is around 750 MB, around 1 GB, and 70.7 GB. So it will take more than 16-17 minutes to upload. But I will definitely share this file to you via the management, such that you also go through this. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So see, the first command you already know, importing pandas. See, whenever you come to the laptop and you are about to program, simply write without thinking a second thought, just write import pandas as PD. Sooner you are done, you will feel relaxed. Okay, now I can use the data frame. Making sense? You can use data frame. Similarly, if you need the Google Drive where the data is stored, then you go for importing the Google Drive. Else do not import it. Else go to this folder and import from the upper arrow. You can check here, the upper arrow shall come here. So just import here, copy the path and use here. That's the gist and the intuition we are deriving from the last several classes. So this is simply given a path where previously we did not give the path. We simply copied the path inside pd.read.csv. See here, inside pd.read.csv, we used to write the path itself. We copy the path itself. So here, why this is being given? This says this is the path of a what's called Google Drive. Add this path to the CSV file, which is being available here or in the Google Drive itself, whereby the data set does not contains a label. Okay, the data set do not contains a label, so you are required to give the list of string which shall serve as a label. And I think how many labels are there? Around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Around 16 labels are there. So 16 features you have to write by yourself, only the feature name, and your data set shall be adjusted as as by the given label. Is this line understood?
Yeah.
It is simply locating
No,
your data set. Okay.
I
See,
I have a question.
okay. Suppose if
Please,
I
can you?
would not, sorry, yeah, please speak.
Okay, I have a question.
Mhm.
Please, can you go back from that from the first programs that you start?
This is the first program, first line.
Yes, I know. I see the first line, but I want to know something about it. How will I run it? How will I run a program without any errors? Do you understand me?
Oh, okay. Understood.
All right.
Yes.
My question
Tech,
is, how will
Techno
I run
Spark
it?
7 Pro. Is it your first class? What's your?
Yes, this is my first
Mhm.
class.
Understood. I
But,
understood your question. Would anybody like
but
to give him an answer, or should I? See, yeah. See, my dear, I can't see your name. You have to run this arrow. Can you see this arrow?
yes, I see.
After you are done, okay. Suppose let me run it for you. This arrow could be
Uh-huh.
run. I am running it. So see,
All
the
right.
right tick has come. The right tick, the green tick will ensure that this cell has been successfully run.
All right.
Should I go ahead?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. That's the reason I asked this question to you. Else, my previous students won't ask that question at least.
It's all right.
Okay. Okay, no worries. See, now whenever we write df dot head, you know that the upper five rows along with all the features will arrive. So here the top five, you may mute yourself, buddy. So the top five, please mute yourself. The top
Yes.
five rows are appeared, and all the, what should I say, features are in front of you. If you are
Yeah.
unable to calculate or count that how many features are there, you usually go for asking the number of, sorry, the shape of your data set. And this is the, see, this is the description that what does the columns represent. The column,
Okay.
we also say it a variable, we also call it a feature. The column,
Okay.
the variable, and the feature, we all the three are interchangeably used.
All right.
So these are the features: transaction, unique identifier,
Identify. Yes.
like TID. What is that? Like you have like ID. Similarly, here also they have a transaction unique ID. Transfer the postcode, the postal code at which the transfer happened, the type of the property for which the transfer.
Ready? Hello.
Has something changed in the meeting?
Yes, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay. Actually, I heard the message this meeting is being recorded. So
Yes,
it's
it's important.
already been.
More especially for me because of I was missing some meetings past.
Okay. So df dot shape, guys, everybody mute yourself. df
All right.
dot shape will actually give you how many rows are there and how many columns are there. So first will give you the row, second will give you
Deepak, we
the
can't see your
column.
screen.
So see how many rows are there, around 1 lakh, 10 lakh 24,000 rows are there. Entries are there for 6.
Deepak, we can't see the screen.
1 second. Okay, I think I understood. I think somebody has restarted the meeting. That's the reason my screen has not been shared again. 1 second. I'm sharing it. Now I think it must be. Is it? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so what I'm saying here, sooner you have write df dot shape, I think nobody will have a problem in it. Let's deep dive into the visualize upon repeating the same things in every class, irrespective of, see, you have to take care of yourself that, yeah, if you are in the first class, you have to go through the previous classes. Fine. So you know from the shape you get number of rows and columns. Sooner you write select only record a property type not O. So data set. How many times df has been used here? First, record status that contains, that starts from A, the value A, only select that. But how to write it in a Python form is like this. First of all, you will write df of record status double equals to A. This line would check whether the record status is actually A. First thing. Second, use a df. Again, you mark a df of df record status double equals to A. So that particular thing will now be stored in the df. See, you are filtering and assigning the filter value to the real df, real data frame. Think you get it? No? Is this line understood or no? Please give me an honest answer.
I don't understand that line.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. I think your networks is very
It's
bad.
not clear. It's not clear.
We
from your
can't
side.
clear.
Sir, your net today not good.
Is my voice
Yeah,
is
your
not
voice is breaking.
Yes, your voice.
okay? Give me 1 second. Be stay in the meeting. Let me rejoin. Okay.
Okay.
Let me
Okay.
rejoin. Okay.